So welcome back. Now we are going to discuss creating of documents in Word, since we are getting to know the interface now. So let me share my screen. Let's begin. Now looking at our Word now. We can go to file now. We want to create new documents. So this is what we do. We click on the blank document, then we start to type our text here. So now there's this line showing my document I just created. So what will I do now? That's the green light. I can easily come to view and disable the green line. I always like the ruler option checked because I always get to see how my margins go and how the ruler is showing as well. So the ruler show side here and up here. So now when we create the documents, this is how it gets. Then you can input all your words in this space here. So now when you create your documents, you put your text, you format it, arrange it, and put whatever you want to insert, like image, table, and so on. So now another thing I would like to explain to you now after this is a file ribbon. So in this place, you can open another document or open file you are working on before from this panel, and you can create another new document. So when you click on new document, you have two tabs open now. So two windows open for Word. You have this window here. You will see document 3 and you see another Word window, document 2. So that's how we can do it. So when you click on this, you give it this option. So I'm not saving this one now. So the file, another thing I want to show you is the save. Let's say you created your documents and you want to save it. You can easily come to this place here and come. Let me just put just something here and see. So now I want to save these documents now. When I click on save, I'll go to browse and name it Advantage. Let me give it. I'm going to name it BEEBAN'S. So I will go to my document and save it here. So that's the save button option. Then if you look down here, you will see another button saying save as. So what is the difference? So although they are both, they work to save your documents, but they are slightly different in these two options. So why save can easily save your document straight up, but save as will give you more option on this. Let's take for instance now, this save document now, I want to save it as another format except from documents, because saving it here now, we save it as Word doc, but now I want to save it as PDF because I intend to send it to people maybe through the by email or through the social media platform like WhatsApp. So if I choose this option of sending this normal file, normal documents, people can easily toggle with it. They can hit and change some things from it. Then it's always good to save as PDF. So to get this option now, you go to save as. When you go to save as, you click, you browse where you want to save your work. Then under save, you remove, you click it, then you go to PDF. Mhm. Then you choose PDF, then you save. So I can also save it to my document as well. So now I have the same document now saved in two formats. So let's get to see. So in my documents, I have the normal Word document. Then I have same document in PDF. So when I open the PDF, you can see the file in PDF. So here is not easy to edit now. Then why the original file can easily be edited. So now let's talk about the basic text entry and editing. I'm going to create another new document. So easy way to do that is you just press Control N, Control N. So by doing this, I can easily come now and start typing my start inputting text in my document. So just like this, you can see now. So that's how you input your text. So you can easily format it using the home tab. So I've explained that in my last video. So now you can copy, paste, undo, redo. If I copy this now, then I want to undo this nonsense I just typed now. I can easily press Ctrl Z to undo. If I want to redo, I can press Ctrl Y if you go back. So let me press Ctrl Z to undo. I can copy, then I can paste, copy, then paste. I can cut and also paste. So that's that. So how do we navigate and organize our file now? So I've done that when I'm explaining this page. So you can go to insights, page break. Maybe you get to type your document to a certain stage. You can easily insert input page break. And another interesting things you can do in Word, maybe you have a lot of words in your document, you can easily find some certain things there. So now inside this place now, I want to look for the word is. When I click it here, then the all the text that has this is will all the is in this document we highlighted in yellow, as you can see. So that's another feature. So that is how you can create your documents, format it using this ribbon or this ribbon up here. So now, so let me quickly explain something to what I just did here. So if you want to hide this ribbon, you can easily click this place. Then when you need this, you click here. When you are done, the ribbon automatically close. Then if you want it to be open, if you want it to always be open for you, you can easily come to this place, then click on this icon here, the pin and icon. So the ribbon and the tabs will be pink here, so not always close, so that will be easy for you to access. So now let's talk about formatting basic. So formatting basic, I also discuss more about that too, so in the first video. So you can change the fonts from here. You can, maybe you want it in uppercase, you want to increase, decrease and so on, you can do that. the alignment, to the right, center, left, and so on. You can do it here. So you can also change the color, put the ribbon, sorry, the yes, you can list items as well. So another thing you can do, I don't think if I've done that, because I've mentioned how you can insert table, picture, shape, icon, and so on. So what if you need symbols? You can easily come to the symbols panel under insert and insert some symbol like hero, like alpha symbol. You can get more symbols in the symbols panel as well. So like registration mark, trademark, and so on and so forth. Trademark. If you click on it, if symbol does not appear, you can easily double click on it. It will appear that with ease. So this is how we are going to come to the end of our today's lesson. So in today's lesson, we have covered the Microsoft Word interface, document creation, and formatting basic. So do go to your Word and practice. So when you practice this feature as well. So thank you very much for engaging in today's class. We really appreciate. So this is how we are going to come to the end of today's lesson on the Word software. So